guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited. Today we have an I Want It All bundle. It's our Gingerbread Visions collection and it is gorgeous. We have limited amount of bundles, so if you do see it sold out, I will have some of these items listed individually. I'll have the paper pad, the ephemera, the enamel dots, and the stamp, and a handful of the dies. Otherwise, you can only get the stencil with the bundle. There's also an item being released that's not part of the bundle. So if you like this gingerbread 6x6 background stamp, don't forget to add that to your cart. So it's a really cute stamp set. It's going to make some great fun backgrounds, and you can also just stamp this out and fussy cut the gingerbread men out and have a bunch of cute little gingerbreads. So I'm really excited about this bundle. It is just super cute. I'm going to share some cards I created, so stick around. I want to show you the stamp set first. This is Christmas Calories. Now this image here I drew. It's also available as a digital image, so if you wanted to grab the digital image as well, you can resize it to any size you like. It also has these great, nice, bold sentiments in here. We have a gingerbread kisses, Christmas calories don't count, oh snap, with a little gingerbread, Mom's Bakery fresh baked cookies. There's a little gingerbread in the sentiment. We've got baking sweet memories with some cookies entangled in there, and then this really cute heart filled with all these baking icons. We've got milk, butter, sugar, flour, cocoa, cinnamon, vanilla, and then there's just some wintry and baking icons mixed in there. There's a solid stamp of a piece of candy, a cookie, a candy cane, and a heart. So you could create some little accents on your card, create a nice background. And if you do pick up the coordinating die, you're going to see a drop-down menu that says, yes, I want to add the die, or no, I do not want to add the die. So the die here cuts out a heart, so you can also use that heart without the stamp set. It cuts out all the sentiments, the little icons here, these ones, the little heart. It cuts out this image here. It also cuts out inside the handle of the mug, and these two little spots here in between the mug and the cupcake. And let me show you how that stamps out. It stamps out really, really pretty. I made this image to look a little grungy, so I love all that little detailed work there. Okay, so that's the Stampin' Die. We have the enamel dots, the sparkling enamel dots that go perfect with the paper pad and ephemera. So beautiful. It's got a little bit of sparkle in there. We've got like a gold color, a white, a light pink, a brown, this pretty teal, and this pink, almost red color that matches the color on the paper pad. So pretty. So you can purchase more of these packs. They are listed individually, but they also come in the bundle. There's a beautiful background stencil designed by Stacy Tiedemann. This is called Holiday Icon Stencil. And this is just going to make a great background. You can do different colors, like an ombre effect, just really pretty. Use your glittery pastes or your gold or something like that. It's going to look gorgeous. The Gingerbread Visions paper pad is a beautiful collection of gingerbread cookies, candies, and just really, really sweet. Love the colors. There's splatters on the paper. That's really cute. There's like hot cocoa. That little cup says winter time. Just a sheet here full of cookies. A nice plaid with some pink splatters. And then this little glitter page has got little stars all over it. Just really, really cute. I love the colors in here. Here's a nice snowflake background with some splatters. That's always a geometric pattern. And then there's a snow globe, which is really, really cute. Just an awesome paper pad. So you get 4 of each design. And then I'm going to take out the ephemera and then I'll share a snapshot of everything. So we've got heavyweight cardstock. You can actually make these into little tags if you wanted. A really cute snow globe, and then some gingerbread cookies with some suckers, and just a really cute scene. We've got the hot cocoa mug with the mug handle cut out on the inside. Some gingerbread in different sizes. A heart cookie, some candies and stars. And I love these little stars and candies in here because they make great embellishments on your card. I'm going to show you my cards and how I did that. Just super beautiful. You can add glossy accents to the suckers, add some stickles, and shine up your ephemera with some glitter. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm going to just spread all of this out. Let me just show you a picture of everything. So for my cards, I used the Call Me Crafty Al sheet load of cards, October 2023 sketch. So here's the sketch that I used. I'll have Alicia's YouTube channel linked in the description box so you could grab your sheet load. You have to be a subscriber of her channel, so go ahead and subscribe to Call Me Crafty Al. She does fabulous videos and I love her sketches. So here's the first card. So I used the Christmas Calories Don't Count. All the sentiments on these cards are used with the stamp set that comes in the bundle. Just really, really cute. I also added enamel dots, I think, to every card here that I made. Now this one I added a little bit of glitter to that, so see how pretty that looks with the glitter. And then see how I'm using the little stars and the little pieces of candy for little accents, almost like an enamel dot or a piece of sequins. Okay, here's the third one. Super, super cute. I did add a little bit of glitter on there. I used the white enamel dots for that one. This one says Baking Sweet Memories, and I used the glitter on there and the gold enamel dots on this one. And I did stamp out some of the sentiments in black and also some in a brown color, which is an oxide ink. And I think it was a Vintage Photo in oxide. So let me know which color you liked best for my stamping of the sentiments, the brown or the black. Here's another one in black. Baking Sweet Memories. Now this one I just stamped right over the paper itself from the paper pad. This one says Mom's Bakery Fresh Baked Cookies. We've got Baking Sweet Memories. I really just love how these turned out. And then here's my last card. Christmas Calories Don't Count. And then added some glitter. Really cute. Just love how the background stands out. Hopefully I had everything in focus when I was showing you the cards. I'll go back just in case. But if you grab this bundle, I hope you guys have fun with it. There are limited quantities for the bundle, so if it does run out, check the other listings. I'll have the paper listed, the ephemera, some stamps, a few dies. The only way to get the stencil is through the bundle. and I will have the enamel dots listed as well. You do get a discount when you get the bundle, so you're getting $3 off when you get the bundle. Let me show you the other cards that I created. And here is a card I created using the stamp set, the stencil. It turned out really, really cute. I used the die to cut out the sentiment, Gingerbread Kisses. I used a sheet from the Gingerbread Visions paper pad. I used the one with the snowflakes for a little border. And I used Crafty Mama Diaries exclusive mix for the shop called Sparkling Christmas Wishes. I thought it matched perfectly with the Gingerbread Visions collection as well as the Christmas Sparkling Wishes collection. So super, super cool. So I used those on the card. I used a black and white twine to kind of mask my little mistake here when I was die cutting this with a wonky stitch die. I didn't line it up straight with the peel off sticker, and I cut it so now it looks a little bit wonky. So I masked that with a little bow, and that's the card. I did cut out some of the images using the die, so you could see how that cuts out. It leaves a nice white border, cuts a little slit inside the handle and in between the mug and the muffin. This is a really cool stamp. I love this one. So it's a heart. You can use with or without the stamp, but I just love that. And then Christmas calories don't count. Just so cute. You can add it right over the pattern paper. And then here's a little candy cane that I cut out. So I hope you guys enjoy this bundle. It is just super cute. I'm so excited to play with it, and I'm so excited for you to get your hands on it. I will have the links in the description box for you. Remember, you get a $3 discount when you're purchasing the bundle. You can go ahead and add the die right there on the listing for the bundle. If the bundle does run out, remember I do have some of the products listed individually. And also, if you wanted to grab extra paper and ephemera, you can add that to your cart along with your bundle. Also, I just released some great new products, Winter Friends, and the coordinating ephemera. And here's the card that I created using that collection. Another collection just released, Christmas Donuts. So cute. The coordinating ephemera. And then here's the card I created with that collection. If you look around the shop, we have some gorgeous paper and coordinating ephemera available. And our paper pad club of the month is gorgeous. So we've got Tropical Christmas and we have Sweet Winter. You have the option to add on the coordinating ephemera to this Tropical Christmas. You can join the paper pad club and get 18% off by choosing monthly before checkout. Otherwise, you could purchase it as a one-time purchase. And here are the two cards I created using the paper pad club of the month. So there are cutouts in the paper pad Sweet Winter. So there's a page in here. You can just cut those images out and use them as ephemera. So you get 4 sheets of that. Let me find the page for you. Here we go. So I used the little snowflakes, the image. Very, very cute. And if you are looking for some more gingerbread items, we do have several paper pads with gingerbread themed, and we have some ephemera that is gingerbread themed. So here are some projects that I made using the gingerbread cookies ephemera. So these are little treat toppers, and this is the pink holiday mugs. So you get some cute gingerbread in there as well. We also have some beautiful fall products. Here's one using the fall mugs. It's still a great time to craft with fall products, so make sure you check out all the fall products that we have. And we have some Halloween products as well. Just go to the Not Too Shabby section in the shop and you'll find all the beautiful products. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the brand new products over at Not Too Shabby shop. Thank you so much for supporting the shop. I really do appreciate it, guys, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. You'll see later tonight, Teresa will have a video up for you using the collection. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.